Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI P9 Lite, and I'll show you how to customize watermark on this device. So first you should go into the device camera, and here as can you see we got enabled the watermark section. Just here to customize the watermark on your device, you should slide with your two fingers here and click on the watermark settings. Now just click here on the three dots icon, and here you can change, as can you see, the different styles of the watermark. For example, we can go with this one. So now we'll just take a picture, and now you can see here that we got this style of the watermark. The previously one, that was the regular one with the weather and with just the date, and here we got it just in the nozzles, another style. Or also we can go here again on the three icons, and we can here just set the location. Here we got just set it the time. Here we can change it to the location, to the weather only, for example to your mood. You can here just change the text, the just section where this text will be just set it. And also we can just here add the food, the sport, something with the sport. And for example we can go with the location. For example, I'm here, and you can change here I am in LA, for example. Click here to set, and now we'll just take a picture right there. So now we'll check this picture, and as can you see here we got this watermark. So that's it. That's how to customize watermarks on our HUAWEI P9 Lite. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.